Right now we are going to look at the student application. This is a web-based application that is best suited for either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and cannot be found in a mobile application store. It is accessible through our website at keystoneschoolonline.com. And to get to it, you're going to click on the red login button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And from here, you're going to click on the red login button underneath where it says Student Application Login. The first time that you have to sign in, you will need your student ID number to set up your password. That ID number can be found in the top right-hand corner of your welcome letter, which is the first email that you get from Keystone right after enrolling. To set up a new password, you're going to click on the password reset button underneath the blue login button. Once you have your password set up, you can then log in. For this presentation, I am using our Keystone demo account. And the first thing that you may see is the Keystone scrolling announcements. This is going to have information about events, Keystone clubs, and special notices that we want to get out to our Keystone students and families. The ones you see on the screen right now may or may not be current. Do check your student application or the support application for updated Keystone announcements. Underneath the announcements section, you have the courses that you are enrolled in. This is very identical to the progress report that can be pulled from the support application. And the information that you see on your screen can give you a very quick snapshot of how far along you are in your courses and the total grade that you have in your class. So on the screen, we have the title of the classes that you are enrolled in, the status, the enrollment date, the start date of your classes, the grade average that you have, the percentage complete, which is how far along you are in your courses. Keep in mind that all classes need to be 100% complete in order to be considered finished. The due date for your courses, the date that an assignment was last graded, and then if you've completed a class, you'll have a completion date, and if you've withdrew from a class, you'll have a withdrawal date. Underneath your courses, you have profile information that you can change some quick info, such as your email or phone number if it ever changes. If you have more detailed information or more permanent information that needs to change, such as a home address, or a legal name, you have to contact our student support representatives, and they can provide information for you. Now, depending on the level of schooling that you are in, you'll be able to utilize high school, middle school, or elementary school links. High school will have a lot of college and career prep information on our parchment system on how to get transcripts and school records, information for College Board, and our Gale library. Middle school will have some relevant knowledge links that students may use for their classes or to supplement their learning. The elementary links will have information about our Getting Started training, Khan Academy, the math playground, and other resource links that they can use alongside their other materials. The very last one we have is the student resource links, which has our Getting Started information, the Keystone teacher link, some of our social media outlets. If you would like to sign up for a club or read about them, you can do that as well. Our student handbook, writing guide, and a link to the Live While Learning Collective. And that is the student application.